All right, so what you want to do in order to go live on Facebook Gaming, all right, and I put a header here, everyone, because I'm not showing you my key information, okay? So I'm blocking that out so y'all can't see that. All right, but basically what you want to do is you want to go to facebook.gg, right, or do a Google search for Facebook Creator Studio. You put your game information in here, your stream topic, your game, everything you want in there, right? Then you click on set up live stream. So now you're over your stream live producer. So you use your key, right? You get your server URL. Okay. So with that, okay, I'm gonna move this over here. So now you can see that. Okay. So when you have your key, blah, 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 you go in here, you go to stream, right? So I stream on Twitch, but wow, whatever. So you go in here, right? That is where you put the custom URL. So you would get this URL, right? Post it here. So that's the one you want for Facebook, okay? Then you copy your stream key over, okay? Stream key, click apply, all right? So then you type all your stuff here, start streaming, blah, blah, blah. Then you have right here, you click go live. Once you click go live, you're automatically live. So hopefully that fixes stuff for you, okay? Now, honestly as well, before you do anything in there with your stream, because I'm gonna go ahead and click stop stream so I can show you more stuff. But you wanna go in here, you wanna go to your output. Make sure if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, you use NVENC or the equivalent AMD. CBR, which stands for constant bit rate. Max 4,000 kilobytes per second, which is for 720p. So that's what you want to put up because you're not a level up producer on there anyway. So you cannot stream in 1080. So you want to keep your keyframe intervals at 2. Performance is the best one to look at. Psychovisual tuning, max B frames 2. Okay. Put all that what you want to do. All right. Your audio, 48 kilohertz. Your video, with your base resolution. So if you say you're 1920 by 1080, do that, and then 720. And please excuse the sound in my background. My dog is rolling on the ground and scratching your back and having a good old time on it. All right. So you go down here as well. You set up your keys, your advanced, blah, blah, blah. Everything good. So you go here. Everything's all set up. Click start streaming, and then over down here, you click go live. All right. So hopefully that makes sense to you.